Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Go. First, download the free app on your smartphone. Once installed, create your account and customize your avatar to get started. Remember to turn on your device's GPS and grant location access so the game can track your movements and show you Pokémon nearby. This is essential for your adventure to begin. Now that you're set up, it's time to catch some Pokémon. Simply walk around in the real world and Pokémon will appear on your in-game map. Tap on one to begin an encounter. Then, swipe a Pokéball towards the Pokémon on your screen. Aim carefully and time your throw to successfully add it to your collection. Good luck, trainer. As you explore, you'll find Pokéstops and gyms. Spin Pokéstops by tapping them and swiping the photo disc to collect items like Pokéballs and potions. They refresh every 5 minutes, so revisit them often. Gyms are where you can battle other trainers' Pokémon. Challenge them to test your team's strength and earn rewards. To make your Pokémon stronger, you'll need candy and Stardust. Collect enough candy for a specific Pokémon, and you can evolve it, changing its form and significantly boosting its power. You can also use Stardust and candy to power up your Pokémon, increasing their combat power and hit points, making them more formidable in battles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.